Ladies and gentlemen, this here's another one for the steppers. DJ Wayne Williams, put the record on. When the DJ's playing our favorite groove, we stand to win the whole night through. And what do when we're all dressed up and in the mood? We stand to what a stepper's groove. Where do we go soon as the weekend gets here? The club. Why? To party and have some fun. What is it that can come and take away all your stress? Tell me. Music. No other questions, you have passed my test. Happy people, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. Keeps the world turning, oh yeah, turning. I believe that happy people, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. Keeps us all dancing, dancing, dancing. Whoa, happy people. Now what do you do when the feeling has come over you? Oh, you let go. And what? Let it take control. Ladies, what do you say when a gentleman asks you to dance to you? Say yes and then get on the dance floor. Even when it seems we're going through some hard times, what do? Keep smiling, 'cause we know we're gonna make it through. Now come and take away all your stress. Tell me. Music. No other questions, you have passed my test. Happy people, yeah, ooh, yeah, yeah. Keeps the world turning, turning, turning. Oh, I believe that. Happy people, yeah, ooh, yeah, yeah. Keep us dancing, dancing, dancing. Happy people, yeah. Stepping, happy people, oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Keeps us moving. I just wanna get dressed and go out, yeah. Get dressed, I wanna go out. Can you tell me where the spot is? Where the party's all night, yeah, and everybody's having a good time.